Finally, I'd like to talk about the .exrc file. If you're familiar with the Unix operating system, you may be aware that many commands have a file in the user's home directory called .whatever.rc, which is the rc or run command file for the command whatever. For example, the C shell uses the .cshrc file in the user's home directory, which is a file of C shell commands which are read in as the shell starts up. VI uses a file called .exrc in the home directory, which again reveals its history as having originally been an extension of the editor called EX. The exrc file contains a series of colon commands, which are typed just as though you'd preceded each one with a colon. So, for example, suppose that you wanted to turn on word wrap and auto indent every time you fired up the VI editor. You could do it like this. We'll create a file in the home directory called .exrc. And in that file, we will put an SE command of AI turning auto indent on, and we'll put another SE command of WM equals 8, meaning to automatically wrap when the cursor gets within 8 characters of the edge of the window. So escape, :W, and :Q to exit. So now that we've created this .exrc file, the auto indent and wrap margin will be on by default. So if we edit our Purloin letter file, if I type a tab here to indent the line, escape, and now we open a new line with O, you notice that it's auto indented. And we hit return, it's still auto indented, escape. If we wanted to turn that feature off, we could say SE no AI, and it would be off for the current session. So if I insert and type a tab and a return, you see that it's no longer auto-indenting. But, escape, :Q, exclamation point, to quit without saving, when we open the file again as it starts up, VI reads the .exrc file and auto-indent is on. So XXO, tab, and I return, and I see that it's automatically indenting. Wrap margin is also on by default. So as soon as the cursor comes within 8 characters of the right margin, it automatically wraps, and furthermore, because auto-indent is on, it automatically indents. There are quite a few settings that you can set in the .exrc file. Please see the documentation for VI for more information.